brother. Just stay off the sidewalk.
Don't give me directives. Shut up. Don't give me directives. I'm a grown man.
Okay, I'm telling you.
Mind your business. I don't need no directives. Don't eat yellow snow. Don't go home and sleep with your partner's wife.
I'm telling you that the car.
Don't tell me nothing. Don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it.
Okay.
Just shut up.
Right. Just stay where you're at. And
Shut
you
up.
all day.
Am I detained?
No, no one's
All right,
detained.
then don't give me directives, dum-dum. Right off the bat with this guy. Thinks he's in charge.
Trying to keep from getting
What's your name and your badge number?
hit. I can talk to you what we're doing.
What's your name and your badge number? You gonna identify?
If you like, no, you can.
I just want to know your name and your badge number,
I don't
sir.
want you to get hit by a car, sir.
I'm a grown man. I know how